Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand the sunrise sectors are emerging industries in India. Sunrise sectors are emerging industries with high growth potential and rapid development. These sectors are driven by innovation, modern technology, and increasing investment from both domestic and foreign investors. The government of India actively supports these industries through initiatives such as production linked incentive or PLI schemes and liberal FDI policies. Sunrise sectors are expected to strengthen India's economy and contribute significantly towards the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat or self reliant India. Several sunrise sectors are currently transforming the Indian economy. Renewable energy and green hydrogen are growing rapidly because of sustainability goals. Semiconductor and electronics manufacturing are expanding due to rising digital demand and government initiatives like the Semicon India program. Artificial intelligence and big data are driving innovation in banking, healthcare, and manufacturing. Electric vehicles and advanced battery technology are supporting sustainable transportation, while defense, aerospace, space technology, and drone industries are contributing towards technological advancement and self reliance. India is also witnessing rapid growth in healthcare and medical device manufacturing to improve health infrastructure and reduce import dependence. The pharmaceutical sector continues to play a major role globally. Fintech and digital banking are transforming financial services through technology and innovation. Information technology remains one of India's strongest sunrise sectors. In addition, infrastructure, retail, processing plants, and smart manufacturing are creating new opportunities for economic development and industrial expansion. Sunrise sectors have several unique characteristics. These industries grow much faster than traditional sectors and are highly dependent on innovation, research, and advanced technology. Government support through PLI schemes, startup incentives, and FDI policies encourages further expansion. These sectors attract significant venture capital and private investment due to their future potential. Most importantly, sunrise sectors create employment opportunities and support long term economic growth. The Government of India is actively promoting sunrise sectors through various policy initiatives. Production linked incentive schemes encourage domestic manufacturing and investment. Many sectors now allow 100% foreign direct investment under the automatic route. Programs such as Startup India, Digital India, and Semicon India are helping businesses adopt advanced technologies and increase innovation. These initiatives support the vision of Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat by strengthening domestic industries. Sunrise sectors are expected to play a major role in shaping India's future economy. These sectors generate large employment opportunities and encourage entrepreneurship and innovation. They improve industrial production, increase exports, and enhance India's competitiveness in global markets. By promoting advanced technology and self reliance, sunrise sectors contribute towards sustainable economic growth and long term national development. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and keep growing.